This research will use qualitative design. Qualitative research is aimed to obtain meanings or to understand in depth the indication, incident, fact, or certain problem regarding social phenomenon and humanity with its complexity. And in this study, the researcher used descriptive method attempt to analyze the interpret the available digital game that can be used to teach vocabulary for the junior high school student, which need many description of each game and explanation the way how to use it. Data and source of data. In this study, the data used by the researcher are educational digital games. The researcher will take the data from the Play Store, Apps Market, and from the recommendation of the researcher. Data collection technique. In this study, the researcher will use content analysis. These are the steps done by the researcher. First, categorize the vocabulary needed by each basic competence. Second, search the available digital games that are suitable for teaching vocabulary. Third, read the description of the game and read the comment from other players. Fourth, record the way playing the game. And 5, write the checklist during the researcher play the game. And 6, make the report. The instrument will be used by the researcher is checklist. There are 11 columns content of the number, name of the game, 8 columns for the basic competence, and the last column for the average to know the percentage of the suitable of the game to the 8 basic competence. Data analysis technique. The researcher will analyze the result in several steps. The first step is the researcher writes a game description and writes a comment from the other player. The researcher takes comments from each game. The data will be grouped based on similarity, the limitation, and the quality. The next step is analyzing the game. The researcher will provide checklists to know in which base competence that's suitable with the game. After knowing the result, the researcher combines the first step and the second step to know which game is most appropriate in many base competence for junior high school students.